guys, welcome to the Art Club Online. My name is Michelle and I am back with this Polly Pocket theme that I started a few weeks ago. I'm sorry that there's a bit of delay. I had a problem with my computer, but all is okay now. So I am going to make a Polly Pocket person. I really don't know how it's going to go, but I recently did an episode where I made my own version of a Polly Pocket compact, and I used one of these Altoid tins, and so I made this little tiny Polly Pocket house, which I love how it turned out. But the thing is, I forgot about it in the oven, so it got a little bit burnt. I caught it just in time. I'm so glad, because look, it's even this back wall here was supposed to be like an off-white color, and it's almost brown. And another thing is, after I baked it, the top part detached fully, which is fine because I'm just gonna glue it in there, probably with hot glue, I guess. And it's hard. I'm really happy with it. And this is the bottom floor, and it really didn't turn out that bad because of overcooking. I think this is probably the worst, where the color really darkened on this. But everything else looks pretty good, and I love how the sparkles really came out in this and this white and the stairs. So that's it. I did it, and it's all hard and ready to play with. I just need to glue that in there. But other than that, and other than over baking it a tiny little bit, it turned out pretty cute. So today we're going to make some modern looking Polly Pocket people to go with the house. And I have these as a reference for size. But I'm going to time lapse this video as well, because I figure it's going to take quite a while. I'm just going to use these tools because I don't think that my fingers are tiny enough to get in to do the details. I realized, see how the legs move independently? Oh, it's stuck there. I don't think I am skilled enough to be able to make that little hinge. I really don't know if I'd be able to do that. So I guess my Polly Pocket people are just going to be standing, and that's it. So let's try. I think I'm just going to make the people in white first, and then maybe add on the colors or paint them. It depends on how hard this is. I really don't know. Now I was going to try to make these people look a little bit modern, kind of like I did with the house. So, don't know how it's going to go. this is the very best that I can do. She's not perfect, but she looks a little bit different than the original Polly Pockets, which is what I wanted. I don't know that she looks better, but she does look different. So anyway, that was some really, really detailed work, and here she is. Ooh, teeny tiny little girl that I just made, and I'm definitely not going to try to make another one right now. If this took over an hour already, and I didn't really know what to expect. So now I have to bake it, and then I can try to paint her. That's also going to be very difficult. It should be lots of fun, because I love this kind of stuff. I'll be back after she's baked, and I will film myself shakily painting her. Okay guys, so I finished baking my little Polly Pocket person, and she totally changed color, which is kind of cool. Look, there she is. So now I'm going to try, oh my goodness, Polly is losing paint. Oh man, I gotta start treating these like the antiques that they are. Wow. So now I'm gonna get my paints ready. Let's try this. Okay, so that is about the best I can do. And here she is. She's all painted. Her little country dress and boots that I chose. And her golden hair, which is very nice and shiny. So let's compare her to the real Polly Pocket. My hands are a mess from the paint. Oops. Here she is with one of the original Polly Pockets and with Polly herself. Now I'm going to put her inside the little house I made. Let's see if she stands up in here. And she does. I can turn it on an angle. Oh, hi everybody, I'm home. Hey, nobody's here. Oh yeah. Michelle didn't make me any friends yet. Anyways, at least I can cook in my beautiful kitchen. Oh, I can't really fit in this kitchen with my dress on. I'll just have to cut the vegetables from this side. Table set. I'm gonna go upstairs. And my art room is ready for a painting. How about we put a little painting on there? And here. Do a little scenery. You see that? And a little tree house. See where I'm going with this? There's a little tree. And gotta put this swing. I think one day I will actually have a treehouse like this. And that will be so fun. And then you guys can come and visit me. Here's the swing. It's kind of working. Let's put some clouds in the sky. Looks like sunset, doesn't it? And the little ladder. Oof. Maybe a roof. There we go. I always hold my breath when I'm doing something super tiny. That's her art room. Her bathroom. Doo-doo-doo, looking in the mirror. And up here, that she gets to magically, is her bed. Oh. So, that's it, guys. That's my attempt at making my very own Polly Pocket. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I certainly did. It was a walk down memory lane for me. Polly Pocket was definitely my favorite toy as a kid, and I think it still is. So that's it for today's episode. I am really thankful if you guys got this far into the video of me making my own little Polly Pocket person. And I really hope to see you guys again next time, right here on the